How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got, where are they? Right now, right here. Today we got some headlights and the marker lights for the car, because these ones don't work, and neither the running lights work on the headlights, and this blinker is burnt out. As you can tell, there's like dirt and crap in there. So go ahead and pull the bumper off, pull the marker lights out, and we'll get going. So my audio decided to shit out on me, but basically this is me basically explaining like how much of a pain in the ass it was to wire in the headlights. There was a bunch of cut ends, all the plugs were cut, like the wiring was just all over the place. It was a nightmare trying to wire anything in. The fog lights were all cut, the marker lights on the side of the bumper, like on the fender, were cut. There was extra like modules for the headlights, the old headlights that were in there. So it was me basically just testing wiring and, you know, with the ignition on, with the test light, and kind of sorting through the wires and figuring out what goes to what. And it was just a big old nightmare. Honestly, pain in the ass. But we got figured out after doing some testing and stuff. So guys, so we got passenger side done with demon eye wired in. I had to splice it a little bit, but it looks tough. I gotta get the passenger side, or I'm sorry, driver's side one. I gotta wire that one into that white wire right there. I gotta tap it, and then both of the demon eyes should work. So I'll go ahead and get going. Alright, so we got both the headlights in. Got both of them working, got both the demon eyes on. Go ahead, turn them on so I can show you guys. These things look sick though. Oh yeah. That looks tough. So I got the side marker lights in. So I don't know if somebody cut the plug to these, but I think I'm just gonna tap these into like a running light. So one of these white wires right here, tapping into those. And again, on this side, this white one right here, tap into there. I might do that tomorrow though. It's getting pretty hot in here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow or next weekend because I have some more stuff coming for this. It's interior wise. Got more interior stuff coming. Shit, that door's locked. So we got the wheel. I ended up putting that piece back on. That's annoying. That's even more annoying. Carbon shift knob, those little trim pieces around the vents. I got a piece coming that goes around this too. And then I'm gonna get a different shift boot as well. I'm thinking about getting the e-brake boot because this one's all flipped up right there, but it's gonna look sick in here. It's gonna go right here. The next part that's killing's going right there. You might know what it is, but it's gonna be sweet. tell me how much boost I'm pushing, how much like my voltage is, because I don't have a voltage meter on here. And then I forgot what the other gauge I got was. Oh, air fuel ratio. Yeah, that's right. So I can tell if I'm running rich or lean, whatever. But those should be here Tuesday. So next weekend maybe I'll throw that in. But for now, that'll do. I gotta look at these lights one more time. Damn, those things are sick. Get car all dialed up for hot ice nights. Gonna clean the engine bay a little bit. This thing looks sick. The little carbon mirror caps. Did taillights as well. We did those a couple videos ago. Those look sick. What else did we do? Mostly just interior for now. Oh yeah, we did the VVT solenoids. Those right there. There's 2 right there, and then there's 2 on this side. Those are pretty easy. Kind of pain in the ass to get 2 on this side because the supercharger's in the way, but anyways, I think that's all I'm gonna do for tonight. And then next weekend, when I do the other stuff, I'll tap in those running lights to or tap in the side marker lights to a running light, so that way those will be on. But those are like bright white and they're like sequential, so I think he hooks nuts with blinker too. I don't know, but we'll figure that out another day. But with that being said, that'll be the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe, and catch you guys next time.